Resume Me, Review Me, I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Barbera.
Today we're going to be talking about tax channels. Why are we doing that, honey?
Because it's January and tax season is approaching rapidly.
We're covering 4 tax channels and we're covering the 4 T's. What are those, honey?
Topic, trailer, thumbnail, titles.
What is the topic? What's your niche? Do you have a channel trailer telling us who you are, what you're about, why you have your channel, and a call to action? And then your thumbnails. Your thumbnails, they are a gigantic banner for your branding and your channel. Titles. If your thumbnail doesn't get somebody to click, you have one last chance.
Title.
It's got to be hookable. It's got to hook people into clicking. That's the goal.
Gotta
Everything
say
is
something
clicking.
that make people want to watch the video.
Let's get to it. The first tax channel that we're looking at is Ignatius L Jackson CPA. And let's take a look first at his topic, which is his channel banner. What do you think, honey?
Well, I like the fact that it says income tax, and I like that it says tax file. I can read that clearly, so I know what you're about. Colors are good. I love the bright yellow. I love that everything that it says tax. I would like to see a picture of you on the banner also. Maybe just a shirt and tie and with your sleeves rolled up.
Looking professional.
Looking professional and looking like you work hard.
Great. And you're a good looking guy. You have a beautiful smile. So you on your banner makes perfect sense.
Exactly.
Especially because the name of your channel is your name. So Ignatius L Jackson CPA. Fabulous. That should be right there on your banner also.
Right.
Typically on your banner, we want to see the name of your business, when you post, and how to contact you.
Yeah.
It would be really great if we had your phone number or your website or a way to contact
and that's
you.
the most important, because that's the first thing people see when they go to your channel is going to see your banner. And if your phone number is on there and you say on it, call me.
Call me.
And your phone number's there, sometimes people just will call you because they want to get it done.
And even on your About page, which is what we're looking at right now, you don't give us your phone number, your address, any information, even your website, any information or way to contact you.
Go crazy with the information. Give as much information as possible.
We want to be able to call you right away.
Make it easy. Just make it easy for people to contact you and to use you.
Let's go to your homepage and see, do you have a channel trailer?
You do not have a channel trailer.
Why would it be good to have a trailer?
Because you have to introduce yourself to your customers or your potential customers, and you have to tell them who you are, what you do, and how you are a professional. And
why they should hire you.
Exactly.
And then a call to action, which is your phone number or go to your website, whatever it is that you want them to do to hire you.
Call me to do your taxes.
That's your call to action.
There's your call to action.
Now, what about your thumbnails?
Your thumbnails, I'm just going to quickly go through your thumbnails.
Let's look at the videos.
Tell you that the photographs, it's good that it's you.
It's great that it's you. Wonderful, wonderful smile, but they're not all well lit.
Well, that's one of the things. Everything has to be well lit and well photographed, and they have to be clear, crisp images.
Are they branded? On the red is a golf shirt, on the blue is a golf shirt, on the gray is a golf shirt.
Golf shirt's okay.
I like the golf shirt.
Golf shirt's okay. If you're my tax guy, me personally, I would like a shirt, tie. I don't even need a jacket. I love the rolled up sleeve look because it's like I'm getting into it.
I'm getting into it. Right. I agree.
This is my opinion.
I would move you to the right on the thumbnail, and on the left, I would put something that's branding. And this is really important when you're looking at suggested videos next to a video. I wouldn't know what you do.
Your descriptions should almost match the photograph on your thumbnail.
Look at those
titles. So in other words, if it says paycheck protection, it should be like a bright paycheck across the screen.
PPP.
And you protecting it in some way, or you working at a desk with the paycheck.
Right.
Well,
what
that's
your
what the
title
video is going. What your video is going to be about. So you want to click it.
I think your titles are hugely clickable. I see you just posted an hour ago, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Excellent.
That's it. The description of the titles are perfect.
Yeah.
They say exactly what the video is.
The titles are very clickable. You just need to get those thumbnails clickable so that we know what they are.
What is going on in the video. Have some bright graphics.
Yes.
To say that you're doing what you say you're going to do in the description underneath.
And in this particular image here, the very first one, the Paycheck Protection Program, you're standing in front of a brightly lit window without light on you. And that's why you're so dark. That's why you're in shadow. Light yourself up like you did in this wonderful
it looks like
one.
He started to light himself up.
Yeah, the blue one is fantastic. The Paycheck Protection Program blue one is very well lit. I just want you to brand yourself. What is Ignatius L Jackson CPA? How do we know it's always you? Easy to improve.
Oh, so simple.
So now we're going to be talking about Optima Tax Relief. They have 385 subscribers. They've been on YouTube since 2011.
Wow.
Wow, that's impressive.
Okay,
and they have
10 years.
365,000 views, and it looks like you have practically everyone in Orange County working for you. So that's pretty fantastic on your topic.
The appearance on the banner is that you have 10 million people watching.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's excellent.
Amazing. So your topic, I don't know what you do from your banner.
That's what it is. It doesn't say
Optima Tax Relief. It needs
Optima
to
Tax
have
Relief. It could
who
be right
you
on the
are.
banner, and that's all we need to say because it does say tax right in the middle there. And tax relief, a big bold Optima Tax Relief under all those wonderful people.
Under those wonderful people.
Would be perfect.
Yes. When do you post and how do we contact you? So something on there with a call to action would be fantastic.
Right,
now,
more information about.
Let's go to the homepage. Is there a trailer?
There is a trailer.
There is a trailer, and it's a minute and 14 seconds.
It's perfect timing.
Perfect.
Does it say does it tell about you?
It says, what is Optima Tax Relief?
That's
I would
perfect.
say it does. And
That's what a trailer should be, an introduction about who you are and what you do.
So that's fantastic. It's got almost 45,000 views. That's
excellent.
Working. What about your thumbnails?
Photographs, people working.
I do get a sense of branding here because they all have the line across the thumbnail.
Real life stories, real life stories.
Some of them say Optima Tax. I like the logo on the thumbnail. I think that's effective. I like the people. I like that you're on the phone. I think it's very effective that you've got people looking at computers, looking at laptops, talking to people. It looks like you've got real life stories. That's fantastic.
I'm going to say by the descriptions underneath each video.
By the titles.
Well, the titles underneath each video, the names don't match the people. That's not what the names are, and it's confusing to me because I don't know what that means. I don't know what Richard means. Did Richard do my taxes, or did Richard do their taxes? Because Richard, Charlie's around a lot. Richard's around a lot, but I don't know what that is.
For example, real life stories for Richard, 3 minutes, and yet you're showing a woman. Is her name Richard? That is confusing.
But I don't know if it's real life stories 4, like episode 4. I don't know what it means.
I see what you mean.
So if it's not clear, people aren't going to understand it. They might not click on the thumbnail, especially if it's in suggested videos next to somebody else's thumbnail. They're not going to jump on it because they don't really know what it means.
And the other thing about the thumbnails is that you do have the blue line branding across it, and yet I can't read what it says. That actually needs to be quite a bit larger, and the text needs to be huge and bold.
It's the exact right way to do it. It's a free billboard, basically.
It's a billboard.
So and so you should make that as big as you can, so it's very easy to read.
Yes, and I would say that this one down here, the Optima Tax Relief, where it's showing pretty bold lettering, is a lot better. Or even just gigantically Tax Relief app.
That's wonderful because people are just going to download the app to see how they can get tax relief. That's perfect.
I think that would be like much more dramatic. And then Sal's point about the thumbnails really not telling us who you are. What do they actually say? Resolve your tax debt from the comfort of your home. I love that you say that, but that should be in your title as opposed to on the thumbnail because I can't read it. Tax relief from home, I would say would be big and bold. The next one, fallen behind on your taxes, should be gigantic. That's something
They're both
always
huge.
People want to know. That should be your title, not real life stories. Right. It should be fallen behind on your taxes / real life stories.
Right.
The next one is help you get the best possible tax resolution. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic.
Well, that's what it is.
Titles.
How to do this.
Yeah, so these are the titles that you should have under the thumbnail. And the thumbnail should have, but gigantically, fallen behind on taxes, or the best possible tax resolution, causing stress and worry from taxes. Everything should be tax related.
Right. How we will do this for you. That
Yes.
should be in the title.
And then as far as posting a day ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, if you would get into a consistent pattern of posting once a week, you would start to see your channel grow with branded thumbnails and on-topic titles. I think your channel would start to grow really quickly.
People will look for your new videos.
Yeah. The next one, which is Mark J. Kohler, Live the American Dream, Mark J. Kohler. The banner is gorgeous. The photograph of Mark is beautiful. Live the American Dream is
Big.
Is vague. Like I don't really know what this is about. So we're on the about page, so I'm going to read what it's about. Mark J. Kohler, PRA, CPA, JD. Okay, well now we know what you do. So best-selling author, I would have a book on your banner.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
You have a great picture on there of yourself. It's wonderful.
National speaker.
Yeah.
We don't see you speaking. Radio show host.
All of that should be on the banner.
Writer and video
all of
personality.
That should be on the banner. And Live the American Dream.
Incredibly impressive. I don't think that the banner says that. You do have 105,000 subscribers, which is substantial.
It's nice.
You do have almost 4 million views from 2011.
Nice.
That's excellent. I just think the banner just needs to say
what you do.
What you do. And then, is there a trailer? Yes, indeed. It's 58 seconds. Welcome to my YouTube channel,
Perfect.
Mark J. Kohler. That's perfect.
That's all you need.
Let's look at the videos. Are they branded? Are the thumbnails branded?
Pretty much.
Wow.
Pretty much.
Look at this. PPP and COVID Relief Part 2. Oh my gosh, these are fantastic.
This is an example for people as far as how big and bold
these
the
are
text
excellent.
should be on your
thumbnail. It's fantastic.
Big, bold, easy to read,
Wow.
light on blue. Perfect.
Yeah, those are great. I love the ones with you in them. 2020 tax strategies and deadlines.
It's specific. It's easy to read.
Fabulous.
It tells you exactly what you're going to see in the video.
Opportunity zone benefits. I think just to do a little bit more branding, I would just keep yourself more front and center, maybe a little bit closer up of you, but I do like the crossed arm. I think they do look branded. Would I know it was always your channel? Maybe not necessarily. Some of them do veer off from the same look. I would stick to the same look. The white lettering against the navy, dark navy background looks great. And you on there, handsome guy, good looking, put yourself out there. I think that's excellent. What about the titles?
Sure.
PPP and COVID relief, I would click it. New COVID relief breakdown live, I would click it. Using a board meeting to write off a family vacation is interesting.
See, they say specifically what's going to be in the video, and that's
Very
exactly
clickable
what I want to
titles.
see, because I want to know what I'm going to have to look at it in the video when I click on it.
I think just adding what you do on the banner, which is your topic, I think would be super helpful. How to contact you would be really helpful.
More information.
More information right on the banner. Here's my phone number, or here's my web address.
I want to make it easy for people to contact you.
Yes,
Though
because
obviously a lot of people do.
So impressive.
A lot more would.
And live the American dream. Well, you are living the American dream, but how did you get there? We don't know what you do by just looking at your banner. And our last one is Clear Value. They have 1.11 million subscribers.
That's a lot of subscribers.
Wow. When I look at the banner, do I know what they do?
I don't.
I do not.
I don't. I don't.
I don't. So let's just read their description on their About page. Bringing you unbiased news and information so that you can form your own educated opinion. As a certified public accountant and business owner, my goal is to provide you free, high-quality information about taxes, investing, and personal finance.
It's very simple, very clear.
Wow.
Very clear.
Okay, very clear. Clear
But
value. Tax.
on the banner, it doesn't say what you do.
It doesn't say you're a CPA. And look at that beautiful icon. I think the two of you need to be right there on the banner.
Right. And their icon picture is beautiful. And that should be up on top. You should be bigger, up on top, front and center.
Front and center. What is your name? So Clear Value Tax is your business,
I mean,
but who are you?
obviously, with 1.1 million subscribers,
And
people are going to your channel.
Wait, look at this. 166 million views.
Yeah. I mean,
166 million
you're
views.
an
Very
extremely
impressive.
successful channel. Extremely successful.
Okay, so let's look. Do they have a trailer? So it's not a trailer, but look, will there be a third stimulus check? 4 days ago, already has 455,000 views.
Well, it's a wonderful description. It's a wonderful title. It's
a wonderful title.
Are you going to get more money? Of course, people are going to want to know.
Instead of a trailer,
Excellent hook.
they put what are people looking for immediately as soon as they get to their channel, an answer. Do you need a trailer? You kind of don't need a trailer because you have so many followers. On the other hand, it would be helpful for newbies still for you to have a trailer, and for the will there be a third stimulus check to be the return subscriber video, because YouTube gives you the option to have both a trailer and a return subscriber video. So your subscribers will see, will there be a third stimulus check, and newbies will see a trailer.
Exactly.
Okay, let's look at your videos. Are they branded? Well, there you are.
In every video.
Beautiful shirt and tie in every one.
I know it's you.
Smiling. Looks like you're doing a newscast. Are they branded? I don't know that it's Clearview Tax.
I don't know that it's Clearview Tax.
I would say a logo would be good.
I know when I get to know you that it's you. The lighting on the photos are up and down.
A little variable.
Very variable.
Titles,
Obviously, if
the
you need to know
titles
what
are
that is,
excellent.
yeah, easy to click on that.
Titles are
Easy to
great.
click on that.
I think the thumbnails just need branding. You
Much.
have over 1 million subscribers.
Which
so
is, there's nothing across the thumbnail that says what the video is
Clear
going to be
Value
about.
Tax.
Bright bold lettering that says that.
That would add
It would be
value
helpful for people who are coming to the channel.
to the thumbnails.
Which obviously there are a lot.
And your logo is wonderful. So I would put your logo on there. I would put in gigantic second stimulus check, 2000 stimulus check update, second stimulus check update. I would put that right on your thumbnail, because additional subscribers, which of course everybody wants them, and additional views, everybody wants those, you will get more clicks.
Yeah.
So your title's hugely clickable.
It's
your
so,
thumbnails,
yeah,
I don't know
It's so
what
funny
you're
to
doing.
critique somebody who's got 1.1 million
know.
subscribers and to say that your banner needs more.
It's just to give you additional subscribers. You're doing it right.
Exactly.
You're doing it right,
Exactly.
obviously, by providing answers to questions that so many people have. So obviously you're doing it right. This is just to say you could get more subscribers, you could get more views just by a few little tweaks
They're making it easier to contact you.
on your banner.
Right.
That would be the only other thing. So thank you very much for being a part of today's Zazumi Review Me. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Barbera.
And this is Zazumi, the Business YouTubers channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. Leave comments below because we'd love to know what you think as well. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care.
This is Zazuli with Mimi, and that's Zazu, baby.
Okay.